wants to die again. I'm gonna bring her back down and try to turn her up a little. It's fine though. Oh no! Oh no! No! I guess it doesn't like that long grass at all.
Oh,
hey, I know it flies. Alright, we're here at the crash damage, and it's a lot worse than I thought it was. Got the battery sitting out. Ripped the wing mounts out. Ripped my landing gear out. I don't even know why. I think it just got sucked up in that grass. So she needs some more fixing, but I know she'll fly right if I can get that engine running right. And it seemed like it was running good on the ground, so I'm not sure what happened, guys, but I'll get her up again before the trip. I'm gonna have her ready. Ended up being an alright night for flying. I guess I should have brought the Escapade.